It's your boy Kip Jackson, 20x20 gang. Here to talk to you guys about Rhode Island, Newport, Rhode Island, if you can't really see. Let me just start out from the beginning. We're gonna show you Rhode Island. We went all season, very affordable. When you go all season, you don't have to deal with people. The views were sick. It's only about 3 hours from New York in general, from lower New York, Long Island. We got to this hotel called the Admiral, very affordable hotel, big purple bed and breakfast, big building right next to the water on Catherine Street, I believe, 73 Catherine Street. Very homey environment. They actually let you bring dogs, but honestly, definitely fun time being there the first day. Second day, we went to the mansion tour. Honestly, the mansion tour was cool, but you don't want to overdo it. You could get caught doing 4 to 5 hours on a mansion tour. Like the mansions, I recommend doing one. We did one. You pick one. We did Marble House. No disrespect to the other houses, but just in terms of saving time and wanting to get the most out of the trip, I recommend that you only do one of the houses. Very scenic, very beautiful, and it also is cost efficient because if you look at the video, I believe it's like $39, $32 a house, and that can add up for 2 people each house. That can pile up. And we're not members of the Historical Society of Rhode Island. So let me know what you think below, any comments, anything you guys want to see in the future. We're looking at a burrito video coming up soon. Top 5 cheeses on Long Island. 5, not 10. 5 cheeses Long Island, restaurant places to go to, wineries we're looking to do in the summer. Just a whole bunch of ideas we got going on here at 20x20. And affordable. Affordability is the #1 mission here for 20x20. We want to give you places to go for your Instagram. I want to give you places to go just to, maybe relax. But again, we do here. Again, that 500 subscribers is coming around. We should be giving away a pair of AirPods. So definitely like and subscribe, comment below. Thank you guys.